Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we're going to go over how you can maximize the amount of sales you make during quarter 4. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Hustling Never. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, we're about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow by building profitable income streams online. And the income stream we're all currently working on, hustling on at the moment, is Etsy. So I've been going for quite a while now. I've been getting loads of messages from people asking me if I'm alright, if I'm ever coming back, am I still alive? And the answer is obviously yes. I've just been super busy. Obviously quarter 4, if you know what you're doing, is really a time period where you can really maximize the amount of revenue you make. And some people even make all of their revenue or the majority of their revenue in the quarter 4 period. So if you know what you're doing, especially with something like Etsy, you can really maximize the amount of revenue you make. And in terms of my Etsy store is going fantastic. This month in particular, I'm on track to make the most I've ever made on Etsy before, which is great. I will do a progress report probably towards the end of the year, because I know you guys like that stuff as well. So I was inspired to do this video because of a post I made for members of my private coaching group, which is part of my course Print on Demand Success Formula. And I thought it'd be relevant to share with you guys as well at this time period. So the reason why many Etsy sellers do not get the results they want is because they are not focused on bringing anything different to the marketplace. They are not focused on being a purple cow. And now you might think, what is a purple cow? So the phrase purple cow was made popular by a marketer, a really successful marketer called Seth Godin. And if you're interested in building, a long-term business, not this get-rich-quick stuff, I recommend that you read all of Seth Godin's books. But in it, essentially, he says that, to be successful in business now, because the competition is there's so much competition online, especially, you need to be a purple cow. So what is a purple cow? So I want you to picture in a scenario, okay, you're driving through a farm and there's just a bunch of cows everywhere. And one of them is a purple cow. Your eye is probably going to be drawn to the purple cow. So a lot of Etsy sellers, when they start their businesses, they essentially are trying to be like everyone else. They're not bringing anything original to the plate. So making sales on Etsy comes down to getting enough views and clicks. And once you get enough views and clicks, you have a conversion rate, a percentage of people that once they click on your products, they're gonna potentially buy your products. Now, if you are blending in and looking like everyone else in your particular niche, then the chances are you're not going to get many clicks on your products. So I want you to imagine that you're in a mall or you're on a high street and there's a high street of shops all selling the same thing. What could you do to stand out on that high street or in that mall and get customers to come into your store? It's exactly the same with what you've got to do with Etsy. Business essentially is a competition. A lot of people forget this, and in order to compete, in order for a customer to choose your store or your products over someone else, you need to give them a legitimate reason why they should. Otherwise, they're just probably going to shop with someone else. So when you're building your store and when you're marketing it, especially across this quarter 4 period, make sure to give customers a reason to choose your store and products. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. I thought I'd share this quick video with you to help you guys out. I have got some really big plans for Hustling Endeavor in 2019. As I've been away for quite a while, you'll notice in the description, if you want to learn more about, maximizing your Etsy store and making as much revenue as you can possibly make and really building something big, I've actually put together a 3-hour masterclass that you can join. It's completely free. Links in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. And let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy store. So, until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.